Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a game pass in Roblox directly from your phone. No computer needed. Let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser. It's important to use Chrome, not the Roblox app. In the search bar, type in Create Roblox.com. This will take you to the Roblox Creator dashboard. Once you're in, tap the hamburger menu. That's the 3 lines on the top left corner. From the menu, look for Creations and tap it. Now you'll see your list of games or experiences. For this example, I'll use the default place. Tap on it. Again, tap the hamburger menu, scroll down, and this time go to Passes under the Monetization section. This is where you can create a new game pass. Now tap the button to create a new pass. You can upload an image for your game pass or use the default one. I'll upload one from my phone for this demo. Then enter a name and description for your game pass. Make it unique so players know what it's for. Once you're done, scroll down and tap Create Pass. Now it's created. And that's it. Hope this helped you. If it did, give it a like and follow for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching.